You can place it on your forehead before you're going to swim. Then when you're in the water, you put it on your above your eyes. Make sure you float, not go underwater. Also make sure the water doesn't go in the snorkel. Otherwise, there comes water in and then you need to blow it out. Also the video is in a loop, so you can stay here as long as you want. And well, that's basically it. I hope you enjoy the experience.
Okay. Nice temperature.
Do you want to go on or?
The experience was great. Before I have the thing just thinking about 1+1 like smartphone and food, but during the experience I really think I want to be here a long time. So very relaxed, and the video is a little bit not clear, but that's real. And also, so the video, real video of 360 video of dolphins, it's not artificial thing. So that's very natural condition, and also the temperature and the feedback, very natural feedback, and floating feeling is very really new actually. Everyone must try. That's my really pure impression. Thank you. Congratulations.
Okay.